What's up, everybody? It's Meredith Sugar Svelte Training, and I have an awesome mocktail recipe for you today. So we have Salmon. She works with me, and she was a bartender, so who better than to show us this mocktail for the summer than Sam. So I'm gonna let her get into some of these ingredients. I might interject on some of the cool things about it, but other than that, I'm gonna let her roll on her special lemonade.
So today we have a lavender lemonade. It's nice to enjoy things after your workout or you're having dinner with your friends and you don't want to not drink in front of them. So we have really simple ingredients. It's fast, easy, it's delicious, and it even looks really pretty. So first, you're going to slice up a couple of lemons. Here, what I did was I squeezed 5 lemons into this container, and then I let lavender sit in it overnight, so you get this really pretty shade of purple. But
you guys don't have to use this fancy cup.
No.
You can use something else. Sam just has fancy things.
I just like fancy things. That's when you're drinking, things look prettier. They're more enticing versus just a cup of water, and they're like, well, that's not interesting.
This is true.
So you just kind of slice it up.
It just smells really good too.
Yeah, and it
Smells like a spa.
It's good stress reliever. You know, when you're like going at the gym or doing your one and done workouts and you're all tired, this kind of just
little energy boosting
relaxes,
lavender
yeah.
and mint. We actually have mint too. So are you using mint in there or is it on top?
So you're gonna do mint inside of it. So we're gonna squeeze one kind of these lemons, and I use the Myers lemon because they're a little bit sweeter and they're juicier. And then I take mint leaves. When you pull them off, fun fact about mint, everybody thinks that you need to chop mint. When you want to enhance the smells and the flavor, you just take it to the cup of your hand and then you slap it.
Smack it.
And it smells like my hand smelled mint. So we're gonna do a bunch of leaves.
I was doing that wrong the whole time before. I was like rubbing it all over my hands. I'm like, look, I can smell it. And I touch my eyes and I'm like, it's burning. So don't do that.
So you see bartenders slapping some mint. That is the reasoning for it. So we're just gonna shove a little bit more of these lemons in there. Get it nice and pretty.
What's that over there, rose petals?
Yeah, just to make it pretty. A lot of people like to put rose petals in ice cubes. So you have like those fun ice cubes that you've made on your past videos. Rose petals, rose water is really good for you. It's good for your skin. So we're gonna pour this beautiful lemon juice in there.
So you put the lemon juice and then the lavender and that made that pink overnight?
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Yep. And then we're gonna take some honey.
Okay, perfect. So honey, really all of these ingredients mixed together are awesome, but the nice thing is that we don't have to, you don't have to fake it with this because it not only looks like a legit cocktail, but using things like honey, using the mint to help your digestion, the lavender to just chill things out a little bit, it's just a really great mix. And like Sam said, I mean, the colors is pretty cool, and there's nothing that's fake about this. It's all natural ingredients, and you learned a fun fact about mint. So do you add water to this now?
Yes, so I'm gonna add some water. So,
ooh,
fill it nice to the top.
Seeds are coming to the top too.
Seeds come to the top.
Oh, look, you get this layering effect.
It's a really pretty
This is
layering.
something fancy I would not be able to do.
I like to just kind of stick something in there just to kind of move the things around. Normally it'd be a longer spoon.
Do you suggest like letting this sit overnight again, or is it ready to rock?
So it is ready to rock, but if you do enjoy a sweeter lemonade, it's nicer to let the honey sit in because it's a natural raw, it goes back to its original shape that it comes from the honeycomb. So it gives that sweetness to it.
Perfect. Well, all you need now is ice, pretty glass, because you can't pour this into, I would use a plastic one. I'm not allowed to use glass in my house. Like my children, I'll just break it. So we'd use a nice, pretty glass. Like I said, you don't have to have these fancy containers, but the nice thing is as people are drinking right now, there's holidays, it's summer, it's hot, you want something refreshing. And you don't want to feel socially awkward or left out. You want to be drinking something, and usually if I'm just like, hey, have carbonated water and lime, you're like, it's vodka soda. This actually looks like a real cocktail. So if you guys like this, make sure you check out all the other videos, and you will see workouts, you'll see recipes, all that good stuff. So we'll see you on the next video. I'm just gonna take a big old drink here. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna drink it. I'm gonna drink it just not right now. So have a great day. Make sure you check this out and let us know how you like this recipe.